Here's a KX080-3 we just got in a couple days ago. We put new tracks on it just now. It's got 2,000 hours. It is 100% original paint. Decals. It's got a quick coupler bucket. Looks like a 42-inch Kubota hydraulic quick coupler thumb. It's got your dual auxiliary hydraulics. There's not a mark or a dent on this. And this is all original paint. Look at that, the blade. Very, very, very nice. That's our new track. You see the grease, we just pumped the tracks out. Look how clean this is. It's one owner come off of a farm, they said. You got plastic still on the seats. Beautiful, beautiful. It's got all the books with it. It had owner's manuals and all, didn't it?
I think so,
yeah.
Yeah,
owner's manuals.
It had the new delivery package.
Oh, it had the new delivery packet also. And the good thing about this is pre-emissions. Of course, air conditioning, heat. And it's only got 2,000 hours. Let's see right here a minute. It's got 2,062 hours. Look at that. We're talking about nice. Look at that. Look outside. This orange and all paint, man, it looks beautiful. There's not a mark on the glass. It's raining, but outside of that. Okay, Jason, go ahead and let me open up the engine compartment. You can see the back of this all original. We might paint the counterweight, but outside of that, look at this. Of course, air conditioning and all. It's about as close to factory new as you're going to get for this age, for sure. Okay, go ahead and crank it up, if you don't mind. Look how nice this is. It's raining, but so we just got it in. Guys, this is tight. There's no excuses. Don't need any on this. All the covers, everything's in place.
Side doors?
No. Well, yeah, you. If it might be locked. I don't know why I thought it was. No, okay. Here we go. Here's all the hydraulics. It's got your self-feeder for the fuel tank. Look how nice that thing is. We just put about $4,000 worth of tracks on it today, just a while ago. Okay, Jason, that's fine. I'll tell you what, let me go ahead and take a picture of that 1 second. I know it's raining, but look how nice this is. 36-inch bucket on it. That's a severe duty bucket. See the wear strips. Quick cupper, Kubota thumb right there. Look how straight this blade is. Got all the serial number page, all the original decals, everything.